Travels with Roy Wiss.
Most caravan buyers don't get ripped off because they're careless. They get caught out because they're told things that simply aren't true. I've spent over 25 years building, selling and repairing caravans, and today I'm going to expose 5 of the biggest lies in this industry. Because if you believe even one of these, it could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. I'm Roy Wiss, and on this channel I help you avoid expensive mistakes and make sure you buy the right caravan the first time. No sales pitch, no fluff, just real world experience. So let's get into it. Lie number 1, this caravan is fully off-road. Now this one I hear all the time. Yeah mate, she's fully off-road. Here's the truth, most caravans being sold as off-road actually aren't. Look, it's a marketing term, not a standard. Real off-road chassis, design, suspensions, clearance, weight distribution. Many are just dirt road vans with stickers. And if you took some of these off-road caravans where people think they can go, you'd destroy them. Ask, what is it that makes it off-road? Not just if it is. If it's not warranted for off-road, then it isn't. Read that warranty. Lie number 2. This is a lightweight caravan. Lightweight compared to what? It's a misleading statement. Tear weights, no water, no gear, no options included. Look, in real world weight is very different. I've seen people buy a lightweight caravan only to find out they're overweight before they even leave the driveway. Always ask, what's the real loaded weight? What's my payload? Can my vehicle actually tow it safely? Lie number 3 is everything's covered under warranty. This one catches a lot of people. Warranty, covering covered wear and tear exclusions, poor maintenance clauses, blame shifting between supplier and manufacturer. Warranty is not a blank check, and it's definitely not a guarantee you won't have problems. You need to ask what's not covered. Who do I deal with if something goes wrong? Do I deal with the dealer or the manufacturer? Read that warranty. If you learn anything from my videos, make it this. Lie number 4, all Australian caravans are better. Now this might surprise you because I believe we build some of the best caravans in the world, and some Australian builds are actually really excellent and some aren't. Look, imported vans are improving fast, and build quality varies massively between brands. Country of origin doesn't define whether it's a good or bad caravan. What actually defines that is standards. Judge the build, not the badge. Lie number 5, you're getting a great deal, mate. Well, everyone loves a deal, and here's what you need to understand. Pricing inflated to discount show specials aren't always specials. Add-ons create the illusion of value. Well, isn't the only one that does it, you know. You don't save money on a caravan. You either end up spending up front or you pay for it later. Look, focus on value, not the deal. Now, I'm not saying every salesperson is lying, but I am saying you need to ask better questions, because the difference between a good caravan and a bad decision is what you know before you buy. And if you want to avoid the biggest caravan mistake most people make, watch this video right here. And if you want real, honest advice from someone who's spent a lifetime in this industry, subscribe to Travels with Roy Wiss, because I'm going to tell you what others won't.
Roy Wiss.